when we do these videos for Nasiha, we do the videos online for YouTube, like those are just there as guidance, or just there as a backup, as a support, supplementary. One of our students, they miss a lesson, they go catch up. Or somebody needs to double check something, they can do revise. But acquiring knowledge directly from the internet without a teacher is very difficult. It's very unlikely. So the best case scenario is you enroll in madrasa and you come with your body in front of a teacher. That's the best way to acquire knowledge. That's a guarantee that tradition is passed on. Yes. And then what happens, sometimes some people live in places where they don't have access to the ability to come and sit in front of a teacher. So then we say, so if, for example, you're in another city, and you got a chance to join a local madrasa, our madrasa, join the local madrasa. Go and sit in front of the teacher. Don't join us online. Go to your masjid, go to your madrasa, join those people. Don't come online. Online is for what? Those people who have no option. They live far away, like some people, like remote cities, remote areas, remote countries. They don't have ulama, they don't have madaris, they don't have this option. Then it's zarura. And tayammum is permissible then. When you have water, tayammum, can you? Yeah, so it can be passed. And even those people who are remote, if they say like freelance, or I watched this video today, ask them ask honestly, how many you got saved to watch later? How many to watch later, how much you actually watch? And so I feel like at any of those series, which has the most views, number one, everybody watches it. God, this is very good, I'm gonna watch it. And then the last one, they watch the last one as well a bit, to see how it ends. And in between it goes, this is the viewing, and it goes down and goes down. What does that mean? That most people are not able to follow through the series. So talabul ilm is in front of a teacher like this, one-to-one. Or if you don't have that, then attend live classes in front of the teacher, with the teacher. This is only zarura. And if you have the other one, then it's possible, but it's not. You have to have a structure. Because, for example, like, in that lesson that he was saying, he was talking in general. So he was saying, okay, he's a qari from Medina Munawwara. So he's saying, okay, read Surah Fatiha. And that's not usually what I do. You'd heard it. I don't want to read Surah Fatiha. I don't want to listen to Surah Fatiha. I want to read Fatiha. You'd have heard it, isn't it? Because you're in a gathering, you have to sit there for that. You can't just get out and walk away and come back when it gets interesting again. So if you sit in a gathering, you benefit. And then you get in between, you get some points, you get some pointers, you get some fawaid. When you have these nasiha online, people start, that's why those famous clips or you TikTok, because you just get bored. If you go to a masjid for a dars, you sit in the dars and you have to sit there for 1 hour. So then you're there for that 1 hour, you get the full benefit of the company. When you're on YouTube, you forward, double speed. And it has its place. But ideally, to gain knowledge, to gain the company of the ulama, you sit in the company, go. Don't become keyboard warriors. The reason this is there is because supplementary, or people who don't have an option. Who don't have an option, then okay, what else are you going to do? You live in a place where there's only one masjid, and they don't have anything else like this. So what are they going to do? It's an option for them. It gives them open up ways. But if it's comfortable, it's easier, then ilm is not acquired with comfort. Ilm is not acquired with ease. You have to give sacrifice. Do you understand? So that's the thing. So never ever. So even if these nasiha and these shorts, they can't replace the real lecture. Go early for Jummah. Sit in the Jummah lecture. After Salah, there's a dars. Sit in that dars. Even if you find it boring, sit in that dars. It'll benefit you. You don't know how it'll benefit you. And these things online, it's just like a supplementary, or if somebody else doesn't have any other option, or it can serve as motivation. But the real way ilm is passed on is in person. And even those people who live remotely, they live far away, they don't have ulama, then try to travel once. People go holidays, innit? So at least minimum once a year. Say, well, we don't have a thing, so there's a program. If you live in England, even America or one of those places, you live in a far away, but you can do a travel. Say, okay, I can't do it every day, every week, but at least once a year I will travel when there's a program, there's a lecture, and just go and sit in those durus. So you can't come every day to the class, but at least once in a while. Because this is very important. Because if you don't have a fixed structure, a set structure in studying or even things, then you just get, they call it harjagamu marta hai. You go and eat here, you go and eat there, everywhere, and then you don't really get a fixed structure. And even if, for example, even if you don't have any access to local scholars, or you're following online, have a fix, like, okay, you listen to certain, like, fix a proper series, or a fixed structure, the same scholars his multiple lectures, so you get some kind of progress. It's not, you're just all over the place. You don't have a fixed sound methodology. You're not left anywhere. You understand? So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us ability to act upon this. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.